Hi creative friends, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and today we're joining in the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge with a pretty and simple wood slice ornament idea. Welcome back to our channel. Each year, Christina of the DIY Mommy hosts a really fun collaboration this time of year, and it's one of our favorites to participate in. Last year, we shared a really fun and festive reusable gift bag idea. The year before, 3 simple Christmas crafts, and before that, a painted snowman mason jar. So be sure to check out those videos as well as all the videos in this collaboration playlist, which will be linked to in the description below. So let's get started with our wood slice craft. For this project, you'll need some miniature pine cones, these cute little screw eyes to hang the tie on, to hang the ornaments, some Mod Podge. This is a gloss one that we had on hand, but I think a matte Mod Podge would work really well. A pair of good scissors and your wood slices. So ours are about 2¼ inches in diameter and they're birch. And then we have all these beautiful decorative holiday themed napkins. To start, you're just going to open up one of the napkins. This one is like a nice thick single ply napkin. Turn it over, and on the back side, trace the outline of your wood slices. You want to make sure that you are using a part of the napkin that has a really nice print on the front side. So if you need to move it a little bit towards the center of the napkin, be sure to do so. Next, you're just going to cut out these circles, trying to kind of keep them matched up with the wood slices that you use to make the tracings because they won't be perfectly round, right? So you're just copying the outline of the slices that you have. And now you can see this is the right side of the napkin. It's like a pretty light gray buffalo check design. And then for the other side of the wood slice, you can either use the same pattern, or if you want to mix it up so that you actually have kind of 2 ornaments in one, use a different type of napkin print. So this is a really pretty Christmas tree design of napkin, and we are just cutting it out here again to make sure that it fits. You can see we picked out a part of the napkin that has this really cute reindeer peeking out. So how fun is that? And again, now we are cutting out this circle from the poinsettia design, which really pops out nicely. My sister Sonia, who also blogs at Sustain My Craft Habit with me and actually designed these ornaments, loves to collect napkins. So whenever she's out and about and sees a really pretty paper napkin design, she picks it up and was really excited to find a way to use them all with this ornament. So now that the circles are all cut out, we are simply going to Mod Podge them onto the wood slices. You're going to brush a light layer of the Mod Podge onto the wood slice and then position the napkin circle over top. You want to just press it down gently. Don't be too rough because the napkins are pretty fragile and can rip. So next you want to just put a layer of the Mod Podge over top and then set it aside to let it dry. It may look odd and buckle a bit while it's wet, but we've found with Mod Podge that the paper really does nicely level out. Once that side is dry, you're going to flip the wood slices over and apply the circles to the reverse side of them. And make sure, as we're showing here, if it is a 2-ply napkin, you're going to want to remove the inside layer, the white layer. Otherwise, it's just not needed, and it'll help to make the napkin adhere better to the wood slice. You're going to just continue this until all your wood slices are covered, and then put a light coating of the Mod Podge over top and set it aside to dry. Now, once the wood slices are completely dry, it's time to add the hardware for hanging. There's a couple ways to do this. If you'd like, if you don't really want to use the power tools, you can always simply glue a decorative ribbon to the top of your napkin for the hanger. Or if you'd like, you could drill right through the top of the wood slice if you don't have one of these eyelets, and make a hole and then thread the ribbon through there. Or we like the look of this. It looks a little bit cleaner and professional. We just drilled a tiny pilot hole and then screwed the eyelet right in. Now it's ready for a little bit of embellishment. We've added our kind of gold ribbon for hanging. It's really pretty, but you can obviously use anything else. We're adding a little sprig of faux greenery and our pine cone. And then finally, a tiny little golden bell to finish it all off. But really, think outside the box and use whatever little embellishments you might have on hand to dress up your wood slice ornaments. And that's it. We think they turned out so cute, and just a fun and simple way to use materials you might already have on hand and make one-of-a-kind ornaments. So again, we're so happy to be joining in the DIY Mommy's DIY and Decor Challenge with this craft idea. And do check out the playlist for the challenge to find dozens and dozens of more inspiring and fun holiday crafts. Please like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe to see our upcoming videos, craft videos as well. Have a nice week, friends. Bye.